All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of sleep and how it impacts our health and happiness. Did you know that the quality of your sleep can significantly affect your overall health and happiness? Stay tuned to discover more about the science behind this essential aspect of our lives. Sleep is not just a time for rest, it's a crucial component of our well-being. From physical health to mental clarity, the importance of quality sleep cannot be overstated. In our fast-paced world, sleep is often considered a luxury rather than a necessity. However, science shows that sleep is a fundamental component of health and happiness. This comprehensive guide explores the science of sleep, its impact on your health, and how improving your sleep can lead to a happier, healthier life. Understanding sleep. What is sleep? Sleep is a natural, recurring state of rest characterized by reduced consciousness, decreased sensory activity, and inhibited voluntary muscle movements. It is divided into several stages, each with distinct physiological and neurological characteristics. The sleep cycle. Sleep is divided into two main types: rapid eye movement, REM sleep, and non-rapid eye movement, NRM sleep. NRM sleep is further divided into three stages: Stage 1 N1, light sleep, where you drift in and out of sleep; Stage 2 N2, deeper sleep, where eye movement stops and brainwaves slow; Stage 3 N3, deep sleep or slow wave sleep, crucial for physical restoration. REM sleep is where most dreaming occurs and the brain is highly active. A full sleep cycle lasts about 90 minutes and repeats several times throughout the night. The science behind sleep. Why do we need sleep? Sleep serves several essential functions: restoration, repair and rejuvenation of tissues, muscles, and cells; memory consolidation, processing and storing of memories and learning; energy conservation, reducing energy expenditure and conserving resources; emotional regulation, managing mood and emotional responses. How much sleep do we need? The amount of sleep needed varies by age. Newborns, 0 to 3 months, 14 to 17 hours. Infants, 4 to 11 months, 12 to 15 hours. Toddlers, 1 to 2 years, 11 to 14 hours. Preschoolers, 3 to 5 years, 10 to 13 hours. School-age children, 6 to 13 years, 9 to 11 hours. Teenagers, 14 to 17 years, 8 to 10 hours. Adults, 18 to 64 years, 7 to 9 hours. Older adults, 65 plus years, 7 to 8 hours. The impact of sleep on health: physical health, cardiovascular health. Adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining heart health. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to increased risk of hypertension, heart disease, and stroke. During sleep, blood pressure drops, allowing the heart to rest and recover. Immune system. Sleep plays a vital role in immune function. During sleep, the body produces cytokines, proteins that help fight infection and inflammation. Chronic sleep deprivation can weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Weight management. Sleep affects the balance of hormones that regulate hunger and appetite. Lack of sleep increases ghrelin, hunger hormone, and decreases leptin, satiety hormone, leading to increased appetite and weight gain. Diabetes risk. Poor sleep quality and duration are associated with insulin resistance, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Adequate sleep helps regulate blood sugar levels and metabolism. Mental health, cognitive function. Sleep is essential for cognitive processes such as attention, problem-solving, and decision-making. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories and processes information, enhancing learning and memory retention. Emotional well-being. Sleep and mood are closely connected. Lack of sleep can lead to irritability, mood swings, and increased stress levels. Chronic sleep deprivation is a significant risk factor for mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. Mental clarity. Adequate sleep improves mental clarity, focus, and productivity. It helps you stay alert, think clearly, and perform better in tasks that require complex thinking and problem solving. The connection between sleep and happiness. Emotional resilience. Sleep enhances emotional resilience, enabling you to handle stress and adversity more effectively. Well-rested individuals are better equipped to manage emotions and maintain a positive outlook. Relationship quality. Good sleep contributes to healthier relationships. When you are well rested, you are more patient, empathetic, and better able to communicate effectively with others. Overall life satisfaction. Adequate sleep is linked to higher levels of life satisfaction and happiness. It boosts your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being, allowing you to enjoy life more fully. Tips for improving sleep. Establish a sleep routine. Consistent schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Bedtime ritual. Develop a relaxing pre-sleep routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Comfortable bedding. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Darkness. Keep your bedroom dark with blackout curtains or an eye mask. Noise control. Use earplugs or a white noise machine to block out disturbances. Cool temperature. Maintain a cool, comfortable room temperature. Limit stimulants. Caffeine. Avoid caffeine intake in the late afternoon and evening. Nicotine and alcohol. Limit consumption of nicotine and alcohol, especially before bedtime. Manage stress and anxiety. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness activities to calm your mind and reduce stress. Limit screen time. Electronics. Avoid screens, phones, tablets, computers, and TVs at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Night mode. Use night mode settings on your devices to reduce blue light exposure. Exercise regularly. Physical activity. Engage in regular physical activity, but avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. Morning workouts. Consider morning workouts to help regulate your sleep-wake cycle. In conclusion, the science of sleep underscores its critical role in our health and happiness. By understanding the mechanisms of sleep and its profound impact on physical and mental well-being, you can take proactive steps to improve your sleep quality. Establishing a consistent sleep routine, creating a conducive sleep environment, managing stress, and adopting healthy lifestyle habits can significantly enhance your sleep and, in turn, your overall health and happiness. Prioritize sleep, and you will unlock the potential for a more vibrant, fulfilling life. It's clear that prioritizing good sleep is essential for our well-being. By making sleep a priority, we can improve our health, mood, and overall quality of life. Remember, a well-rested mind and body are key to a happier and healthier you. I'd love to hear your thoughts on sleep. Share your own tips for a better night's rest in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on health and well-being. Together, let's prioritize our sleep and unlock a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching.